Hello guys, how are you? Today's topic is going to be musical instrument. This is vocabulary. Remember to repeat after me each word and pay attention guys. We start with cello. C-E-L-L-O. Cello. Clarinet. C-L-A-R-I-N-E-T. Clarinet. Cymbals. C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. Cymbals. Drums. D-R-U-M-S. Drums. Flute. F-L-U-T-E. Flute. French horn. F-R-E-N-C-H. H-O-R-N. French horn. Guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R. Guitar. Harp. H-A-R-P. Harp. Oboe. O-B-O-E. Oboe. Piano. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. Piccolo. P-I-C-C-O-L-O. Piccolo. Recorder. R-E-C-O-R-D-E-R. Recorder. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Trombone. T-R-O-M-B-O-N-E. Trombone. Tuba. T-U-B-A. Tuba. Violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. Guys, now let's practice. In the following exercise, you have to choose between three images what is the correct, and you have to cross it with your fingers. Okay, so let's start. Which of these is a trombone? Remember the word that we just saw? What do you think is the answer? Okay, this is a trombone. Excellent, guys. Next, pictures. What of these is a violin? Do you remember what is a violin? The three of these, it's like the same, but is not the same. So what do you think it is a violin? Okay, guys, this is a violin. Then we have drums. Also, it is not the same, but it's just drums. What do you think it is the answer? Okay, guys, that is drums. Next one. What do you think it is a guitar? Do you know what is a guitar? Choose between these three pictures. Okay, guys, this is a guitar. Well done. Then tell me, what of these is a harp? Harp. You know the answer, guys. Just cross it. Okay, guys, this is a harp. Well done, guys. So we finish for today. So please let me know if you have any doubt. Remember that you can repeat this video as many times as necessary to practice, and please ask me if you have any doubt. Thank you guys, and see you tomorrow.